Are you tired of your current job and maybe you're looking for a career change? Well, there's a multi-billion-dollar industry that you could be a part of where you graduate, you ready, in just 2 weeks. National Laser Institute CEO Louis Silberman is here with how to start. I can't believe it's only 2 weeks.
Can you believe a 2-week program to change your life? How crazy is that, huh?
Yeah, well, we are going to believe it because you're going to tell us all about it. What kind of training is required?
So, as you know, Alana, this marketplace of medical aesthetics it's crazy. It's on fire. In fact, Allergan, one of the largest companies in the world, they create Botox. Pfizer, the creator of Viagra, tried to buy Allergan for $165 billion. Everybody's trying to dive in this business of Botox and dermal fillers and laser hair removal and photofacial and tattoo removal and cold sculpting. So the best kept secret in healthcare is that everybody thinks that maybe you probably have to be a doctor or a nurse to get in this business.
That's not the case.
Not the case. Yeah, of course the doctors and nurses do the Botox and fillers, but the best kept secret in healthcare is that anybody with a passion for health and beauty, after a 2-week training program at National Laser Institute in Dallas, Texas, can become a certified cosmetic laser technician working at one of the thousands of medical spas across the country, thousands of doctors out there, publicly traded gyms. It's everywhere.
And what kind of qualities would a person need to have to go into this 2-week program?
Good question. So who would be the perfect candidate to get into medical aesthetics?
Yes.
So, of course, if somebody loves health and beauty, if they're an esthetician, if they're a cosmetologist, if they're a massage therapist, if they're a medical center, if anybody's in health and beauty, it's a natural evolution. But anybody, I don't care if they're a stay-at-home mom, work at Dillard's or Target or Starbucks or real estate, as long as you have a passion for health and beauty, anti-aging, and making people feel good and look good. Because this is not a Barbie doll, pretty girl business. This is a build self-esteem and build confidence business and feel good from the inside out business.
That's true. No, that's absolutely it. It starts in here first, right? Now, what exactly are these cosmetic laser techs going to be doing?
Okay, great question. So there's over 4,000 medical spas open across the country. It used to just be plastic surgeons and derms providing these services. Now it's every single doctor under the sun. Your primary care doctor provides these services, OBGYN. So laser hair removal, permanent hair reduction, photofacial skin rejuvenation to make age spots, sun damage, broken capillaries, hyperpigmentation, rosacea, and even skin tones go away. Lasers for full-blown skin rejuvenation, lasers to make tattoos go away. I mean, what was cool at 18, maybe not so cool at 30 or 40, right? And freezing the fat with like cool sculpting, like radio frequency for texture, tone, so the services they're amazing, they're fast, they're high-ticket items. People can make good money. It's just an amazing industry. And after just a 2-week program, somebody can change your life. It's 5 days of classroom education, about 10 days of clinical, working on hundreds and hundreds of paying clients. And people come in day one, Alana, they're scared, they're nervous. Oh my gosh, medical devices, whatever. I heard somebody, when they're done with the class after 2 weeks, they're going, I got this. In fact, your friend, was it Terry?
Yeah,
your friend took the class, right?
My buddy,
he was a cool guy,
He loved it, but now
nice
he's
guy.
like, yeah, I mean, it's hard to believe that in 2 weeks, but it's very believable. He let me know, I was like, oh yeah, I have everything and all knowledge I need to take this and go get a job. On that, where are we getting jobs here in North Texas?
So jobs are at the 4,000 med spas across the country. They're at the thousands of doctors' offices. They're publicly traded gyms. One day, there's going to be cosmetic laser techs, Botox fillers in CVS and Walmart and Target. And if you don't believe me, there's a chain. I don't know if they're in Europe or the US. I think they're called Superdrug. They announced last week they're adding Botox, like a retail, like CVS type place. So it is everywhere. Think about it. I mean, you went to school for God knows how many years to be getting broadcast and journalism. People think, I got to go to school for 2 years, 4 years, 10 years to get a new. No, after 2 weeks, somebody can change your life now at National Laser Institute.
And you have an open house tonight. Yeah,
this is fun. This is fun. We have not an open house. This is an open house on steroids.
Okay.
So tonight there's going to be hundreds of people at National Laser Institute. We're doing live Botox demonstrations, live cosmetic laser demonstrations. We're giving away thousands and thousands of dollars of prizes of free Botox, dermal fillers, thousands of dollars of training scholarships. We've been doing this for 14 years. We've trained thousands and thousands of people from across the world. Go online. There's a zillion testimonials of just life-changing stories. All
right, here's where you have to go for more information. Make that career change today. It's 800-914-4504. You can also go to nationallaserinstitute.com to start your career training as a cosmetic laser technician. The National Laser Institute is in Dallas off of Northwest Highway.